Hi Tim, welcome to Cloud Pandit. So in this exam questions for Microsoft Azure Data Engineer series, so in today's session we will see exam questions on key features of Azure Data Factory. So the first question is, what is the primary purpose of Azure Data Factory? So real-time data analytics, data visualization and reporting, data integration and orchestration, cloud infrastructure management. So the answer is data integration and orchestration because Azure Data Factory has a lot of connectors, predefined connectors, which helps Azure Data Factory to connect with or integrated with multiple source systems and destinations. And also we have a master pipeline which we can able to use to orchestrate entire flow, right? So that is the primary uh, goal of the Azure Data Factory. So to get more explanation or in-depth explanation, you can follow my Azure Data Factory master program playlist. So as I said, the answer is data integration and orchestration. The second question is, which of the following data sources can be integrated with Azure Data Factory? So on-premise databases, cloud-based data stores, both A and B, and none. So remember, so we have different types of integration runtimes that we have, using which we can even connect to the on-premise databases. On-premise, when you say, it can be a place where your infrastructure is deployed into a separate virtual network. That also you can consider as an on-premise because it is not directly accessible. You must have to use the self-hosted integration runtime. So you can connect to the on-premise databases and cloud data stores. So we can say the answer is both A and B. Okay. So as I mentioned, to get a full explanation on all of these questions, you can go through my Azure Data Factory Master Program playlist. You can see each and everything in depth. Okay. The third question is, which feature of Azure Data Factory allows user to visually design data transformation logic? So this is the one of the powerful feature of the Azure Data Factory, which makes the completion of the Azure Data Factory. So earlier we can do, as part of the ETL, we can just do the data ingestion, meaning extraction and load, but we don't have much of the transformation, ETL, right? But now with the help of these data flows, we can able to even transform the data, extract, transform and load, everything we can able to do with the help of the data flows. It's one of the powerful feature which is added into the Azure Data Factory 2-3 years ago. So the answer is, we can say data flow, which allows us to build the data transformations without writing any code, completely visual experience you'll get. Which of the following is true about cost model of Azure Data Factory? It is free for all users? No. So users pay a flat monthly fee for unlimited data movement and transformation? No, because if you are moving the 100 terabytes of data, if somebody is not moving any data, so how it can be same fee that they can able to pay? So that is also wrong answer, I can say. Users are charged based on the data movement and transformation activities they perform or they execute. Yes, based on amount of data that they are processing. Okay, so based on amount of data that they are moving and transforming, how much time the transformation logics are executing, based on all these parameters the charges will be applied. So answer, I can blindly say that the answer is C without going to the D, because users are charged based on the number of pipelines they create regardless of usage? No, the answer is C. So users are charged based on the data movement and transformation activities they perform. Next, Azure Data Factory supports data movement and transformations at only small data only, large scale only, means large data, or both small and large data, both it will support. Yes, the answer is C. It can able to support data movement and transformation at any amount of data, whether it is small, medium, large, doesn't matter. Any size we can able to move and transform it. So the final question is, I think, what is the purpose of data pipeline in Azure Data Factory? So the data pipeline basically to visualize data flows? No. To automate data movement and transformation task? Yes, because within the pipeline we are going to define the set of activities. Hey, my first activity is just a copy activity to move the data, then data flow activity which transform the data. Yes, to automate data movement and transformation task. The third option is to manage data storage in Azure. No, so data pipeline and storage is nowhere relevant. To create data reports and dashboards. To create data reports and dashboards, yes, that is also wrong. The answer is B, to automate data movement and transformation tasks. Okay, so that's all for today's session, team. We will meet in the next session. Thank you. I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos on the exam questions and Azure Data Factory, Databricks, and many more subject areas. Okay, thank you.